Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So first go to Facebook at your homepage, and then if you see this icon, click that and go to settings and privacy, and then go to settings, and then it will direct you to this page and just go to privacy. Under privacy, you will see your Facebook information. So just click that, and you will see here at the bottom deactivation and deletion. So just view that and go to make sure that you select the activate account, and then go to continue and enter your password. After entering your password, click continue, and here you can transfer information to another account, and you can also choose the reason for deactivating your account, and you can explain it. And then after that, you just click deactivate to continue, and that's it. That's how you deactivate your Facebook account. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe.